What it do, glam crew? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and today I'm not sure what look I'm going for, but I really want to dive into the James Charles palette. So let's unleash our inner artist really quick and let's get started. I tried to do little space buns, but like my line is so crooked, bro. I can only imagine what the back looks like. So yeah. So I'm really gonna take this fuchsia color and hit high up. Nice little circular motions, and that blend will be out of this world. Yeah. Have you guys seen that meme? I think I do want to go just a tad bit darker, but I'm gonna focus the darker brown on the outer corners. So I want to add something shiny in the middle. No cut crease, nothing crazy. It's just gonna be like a little. So I'm thinking about this one. Ooh, that right in the middle. Yes. Yeah, so it could be like, because these two are really close to these colors. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, so I'm gonna go do eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, my lashes are still drying, but I'm back. Yes, cute. Alrighty, that is it for today's look. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, everything, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. My lip gloss is popping.